Are you confident that your Venmo account is truly secure? While Venmo has its own security features, setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a crucial extra layer of protection that's simple to set up and can make a huge difference. 2FA works by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. So, even if someone gets their hands on your password, they can't access your account without the second factor, which is usually a code sent to your phone. This is especially important for an app like Venmo, where you're dealing with money. Setting up 2FA on Venmo. Ready to secure your account? Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Venmo app and tap the Me tab, which is the single person icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap the settings gear in the top right. Next, scroll down and find Security. Once you're in the Security menu, you'll see a few options. Look for the one that says two-factor authentication and tap on it. Venmo will then prompt you to verify your identity. You might be asked to enter your phone number or confirm the one you have on file. After confirming your phone number, Venmo will send a 6-digit verification code via text message. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app. This is the key step that links your phone to your account for 2FA. After entering the code, you'll be brought back to the security menu, and you should see that two-factor authentication is now toggled on. It's as simple as that. What 2FA means for you. Now, let's talk about what this means for your daily Venmo use. Anytime you log in from a new device, you'll be required to enter a code that's sent to your phone. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to access your account without your physical phone. It might feel like an extra step, but that small bit of effort provides massive peace of mind. Your money and personal information are much safer with 2FA enabled. So, if you haven't set it up yet, go do it right now. It takes less than a minute. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.